Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to create text gradient by using Elementor. Let's start. Open dashboard of your site and go to Elementor. Now click on this plus button and now select a single column. Now go to height and select fit to screen. Now go to style and select a background color. Now click on this 9 dots icon and choose heading. Drag it and drop it in the column. Align it center. Go to style. And text color is black. Now go to typography. And increase the size of heading. Font family is Poppins. Weight is 800. Transform is uppercase. Letter spacing is -1.7. Write your beautiful sentence or word. Now go to Advance and write text gradient for CSS class. Now scroll down and click on Custom CSS. And now copy the CSS code from description below and paste here. You can see gradient is applied. Heading is looking beautiful. Hope so this video is very useful for you. If you have any question and suggestion, please write in comment box. I will respond you as soon as possible. Please like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.